Hello friends. So in this video of today we learn about swapping of numbers. So we starting our Java tutorial code. So let's in today's session we discuss how to swap two number using third variable. So in our video we discuss two method of swapping numbers. Let's in first video we discuss only using with the help of third variable, and in next video we discuss without using of third variable. So let's start of swapping of numbers. So here you see we first import our Java code. After that we make one class. You can make any name of the class, like we take class name swap numbers. After that we open the brackets inside class. We make the main class from where our code should start to run. After that we take two variables, means for two numbers we take two variables x and y, and with the using of third variables, you understand guys, we use third variable for swapping two numbers. So here we take three variables x, y and temp, and you should select or take any of the variable. After that we print the message of headlines like enter x and y. I will show you in output, don't worry guys. Let's first understand what is our goal. So in next step we take input of first variables. By this here simply we make the scanner function for taking input. So here we take the first variable input, and here we take second input, and after that we print one message by taking this input. This is before swapping, and after that we using third variable. This is our main project code and main objective of the code from line number 12. Guys currently focus on line number 12. So let's see, we firstly store first number in temp. Okay, then first variable is should be empty. So in place of first variable we put the second variable, and when we put second variable into first variable, then second place will be empty. So what we do, so in second variable we put our temporary, which we take our temp variable, means we put temp into y. So here we make the swapping. After that we print the output. You see the guys, this is very easy step. After that we close the bracket and see the output. What will be our output? Hey guys, here our first heading asking about the enter the variable x and y. So we take first x is equal to 4, and next 5 is equal y is equal to 5, and there you see that before swapping x is equal to 4 and after swapping x is equal to 5. This is our code of the Java code. Thank you guys, like and subscribe and for seeing more upcoming videos. Thank you.